Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how you can change your Facebook password. There are two ways. First, you can specify your old password and then enter a new one and everything will be changed. Or if you forgot your old password, you can recover it all either by mail or by phone number. You can still recover it. You need to know either your old password or just some data from your account. How to do it all? Everything is very simple. You go to Facebook. Now here you click on your profile and the menu goes a little lower and select the item, settings and privacy, or click on the icon on top of the setting. Now here we click on the search and to save time we write password and we will see the item change password. Click. Now here opens this menu. Here we select the account that interests us. Now here we can enter our old password. There is a prompt when you last changed it. Enter this password, then specify a new password. Repeat the new password, click Change Password, or if we do not know our old password, click Forgot Your Password. Either send a message to the phone number or to the mail. That is, you can choose anything you want and also restore the password from your Facebook. As you can see, this is a very simple and fast way. Done. Nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.